What's going on, YouTube? Louis of the Way Your Kicks channel. Happy Saturday to everyone out there. Hopefully you're having a great day. And if it's not Saturday when you're checking out this video, hopefully it is a great day no matter what day it is for you. Well, we're halfway through January and we have our first official Jordan release, guys. And I'm a Jordan 1 guy. I love my Jordan 1s. Not all colors. I definitely passed on those mauves that dropped back in 2023. I wasn't really a fan of those, but these right here, yeah, when I saw these in hand, I definitely had to pick them up. But I'm talking about what's inside this box, guys. And this color blocking right here is sale. I gotta tell you that. And the yellow here, label reads, Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, yellow ochre, black sail. All right, so here we go. Let's go ahead and pop the top on the lid and flipping it over here. Damn, there's a whole lot of tissue paper, but you do have a lot number. Like I said, you have all this tissue paper here, and let's go ahead and wrap it back. And yeah, more tissue paper. Let me go ahead and take this stuff off for you guys. All right, so I went ahead and removed the tissue paper, but I also laced up the sneakers as well. Now we'll start with this one here because the sneakers themselves come pre-laced with black laces on them, and let me know what you think about the look. But they have this tag here, and it's saying that please note the upper material is nubuck leather. Top color and base color of leather will pollute the shoe during manufacturing process, and the color will be brushed off after wearing, which is normal for this leather application. So what they're basically telling you is that over time, this color will fade a little bit, which, guys, there's ways out here to minimize a lot of damage that happens now to our sneakers with all the water and stain repellents and the shoe cleanings. Plus, if you have different sneakers that you can switch out and not kind of wear these every day, you know what I mean? Obviously, that's going to preserve the life and look of the shoe for as long as possible. But you do have yellow ochre nubuck here all over the sneaker itself. You have a black swoosh, and the leather on this black swoosh is very smooth. You know, nothing too crazy as far as the quality of the leather is concerned. You do have white leather paneling here on the lateral and medial side, which is pretty tumbled, and here in the toe box area as well. The tongue itself actually has somewhat of a gray hue to it, and I think that's because they're using somewhat of a gray foam there on the inside. But here at the tongue tag, you have a yellow tongue tag with black Nike Air written there, and on the inside of the shoe itself, you see in the heel area, you got black sock liner down there, and then the insole foot pad is that yellow ochre with Nike Air written down there as well. Taking a look here at the midsole is actually sail in color, guys. It's not exactly a match to the white that's on the side paneling. And here in the outsole itself, you have the yellow ochre outsole. Now, what's interesting is this sail midsole here, because the extra set of laces, which I thought initially were white, are actually more of a sail color. Now they do come here in the traditional box now that we've been getting extra sets of laces in from Jordan brand when it comes to our Jordan 1s. So that's why I'm calling them traditional, because it's kind of the new tradition. But let's go ahead and take a look here at the left shoe that I went and threw the laces in. And you can see here, it's not so much a direct match to the white. It kind of looks that way somewhat now that I'm looking at them under the light, but it's just because of the reflection. Remove that artificial light that I have here and you'll definitely see what I'm talking about as far as them being closer to the sail colorway. In any case though, I mean, this is definitely a match pair as far as the quality is concerned. I always make sure to take my shoes out the box and take a look at them prior to me walking out of the store to make sure that there's no scuffs or issues with the leather or issues with the material in itself, guys. I really think that that's very important that we all make sure if we have an opportunity to pick them up in store, in hand like that, that you do so. The collar itself, I've had a lot of people ask me now about this collar, and touching it, it feels like somewhat of a rougher kind of leather, but it's also soft as well. I don't know how really to describe that to you guys, but some people ask me, is it like the university blue collar? And no, I don't believe it is. I will say this texture does remind me more of the Rookie of the Year Jordan 1s. And as far as the color is concerned in comparison to the Rookie of the Years, I've heard a lot of people say that, but when you put the two sneakers together, you can see that they're definitely different as far as coloring is concerned. All right, so I went ahead and grabbed the 3 pairs of sneakers that this shoe is actually being compared to the most. And first up, we're gonna take a look here at the Pollen ones, and you can see right away, there's actually a difference in color. It's kind of close a little bit, but not as close as a lot of people like to say that they were. So I would say that the Pollens and the yellow ochres are definitely two very distinct different shades. Also here, taking a look at the Rookie of the Years. I mean, you can see here, the Rookie of the Years are pretty much more so brown itself. I actually thought for a little bit that they did remind me of the rookies, but looking at them a lot closer there, I would say no, that they're definitely not anywhere near close in color to the Rookie of the Years. And then finally, the Yellow Taxi ones here, I mean, you can right away see that that's definitely a different color as far as the yellow ochres are concerned. This is much more of like a vibrant orangish type of yellow, guys. So I would say no, that while, yeah, they may remind you of those other three sneakers themselves, that these here are distinctly different than those other pairs. But there's nothing wrong with that, guys, with having shoes that are similar in color like that, because it does give you options for different outfits and, you know, being able to hit different shades of clothes that come out there. But I definitely think that the white laces, in comparison to how it looks here with the black laces, guys, I like the way that the white laces look in here personally. But some, you know, but the black is not bad as well. The other thing I might think about getting is maybe a deeper color sail laces to throw in there as well. That's also an option, guys, but let me know what you think is a lot better looking. Do you like the white laces here that are in my right hand, or the black laces that I have here in my left hand? Let me know your thoughts and opinions on the Jordan 1 Hot Yellow Ochres, guys. When I saw these in hand, I definitely had to bring them home. I was a big fan, but I did get these under retail, and hopefully you will too, because the full size run was sitting on the Sneakers app and sitting at a lot of major retailers. So these will definitely go on sale in a lot of places fairly quickly. How low will they go? One only knows, guys. I can't call it. It may drop as low as $108, but at that point, you're talking about maybe some of the smaller sizes still sitting around. If you are new to this channel, please hit that subscriber button for me, and don't forget to smash that like button. We're on the road to 1,000 subs, guys, and once we do hit that milestone, we'll be doing a free sneaker giveaway to one lucky winner. In any case, this is Louis of the Wear Your Kicks channel, reminding you to be true, stay in the moment, and don't forget, every day is a great day to wear your kicks.